The $5 Challenge, a Wall Street short story. There's supposedly a legendary investor on Wall Street in New York. People say if you ask him for a job, he won't even look at your resume. Instead, he hands you a $5 bill and says, "Don't spend this, but by tonight, turn it into $500. So if you're broke, jobless, or your bank account is giving you emotional damage, don't skip this story. Because after hearing this, your wallet might still be empty, but your brain will be fully charged. New York City, cold wind, Wall Street packed with people in suits, coffee in hand, stress on their faces, and millions in their pockets. One day, a young guy walked into an old investment office looking for work. "Sir, I need a job. I have an MBA, but honestly, my bank account got rejected before my resume did." The old investor laughed. "If you want to survive on Wall Street, understanding the market isn't enough. You need to understand what people need." Then he pulled an old $5 bill from his pocket. "Here, don't spend this, but before tonight, make $500. The young man blinked. "Sir, is this a business lesson or a Netflix reality show?" The investor calmly sipped his coffee. Business isn't about using money to make money. It's about using ideas to make money. The young man spent the whole day walking around New York City. Times Square, the subway, Central Park, crowds everywhere. Then he noticed something interesting. Tourists everywhere, but nobody to take good photos for them. Suddenly, light bulb moment. He grabbed a piece of cardboard and wrote, "Professional Instagram photos. Pay whatever you want." A tourist walked up first. "Can you take a picture for us?" The guy smiled confidently. "Absolutely. I'll make your ex regret losing you." 5 minutes later, boom, Instagram-worthy photos. The woman laughed and tipped him $20. Within an hour, couples, tourists, families, TikTok influencers, everyone wanted photos. One influencer even screamed, "Oh my God, you take better pictures than my boyfriend." By 4 p.m., the young guy had already made $280. But the challenge wasn't over yet. Night was coming. Still needed another $220. He stood inside a busy subway station thinking, when suddenly, "Help! Somebody help!" A businessman was panicking. 2 giant suitcases, phone glued to his ear. "Conference call happening? No taxi available. Full panic mode." The young man jumped into action. Booked him an Uber, helped carry the luggage, grabbed him coffee, even found the fastest airport route. Right before leaving, the businessman asked, "How much do I owe you?" The young guy adjusted his sunglasses like a movie star. "Sir, in New York, help doesn't have a fixed price. Value decides the price." The businessman burst out laughing. Then he pulled out $300 from his wallet and handed it over. That night, the young man returned to the Wall Street office with $580. The old investor quietly counted the cash. "I asked for $500? You made $580? The young guy lifted his collar proudly. "Sir, New York is expensive, but people's problems are free." The investor smiled. "This is real business. People needed help, and you created value. You didn't just take photos. You sold confidence. You didn't carry luggage. You reduced stress. You didn't just book a taxi. You saved time. Money chased you because you became useful to people. Business isn't about the money in your pocket. It's about the ideas in your mind. You can start with just $5 if your mindset is worth $5 million. If you enjoyed this story, hit like, comment, ideas over money. Subscribe for more stories. Because in the next video, we're talking about a waiter who turned $0 into $1 million business idea.